Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Carmilla Jones.
And I am Shanique Wilson, and this is your top story.
We will be standing in for the candidates this evening. Oops. Due to a sudden long-deserved turn on the system, the prisoners are being released all over the world and are taking over the country's government building and burning them to the ground.
Riots are not happening in the streets. But yet, the bank's employees and the people of the planet have gotten tired of the consistent disregard for their needs and have simply walked out of work, as the Earth has taken too much of a beating for money.
The Venus Project is well underway with a fantastic plan to reconstruct our life system for better living and no money.
The Venus Project presents a bold, new direction for humanity that entails nothing less than the total redesign of our culture. There are many people today who are concerned with the serious problems that face our modern society: unemployment, violent crime, replacement of humans by technology, overpopulation, and a decline in the Earth's ecosystems. As you will see, the Venus Project is dedicated to confronting all of these problems by actively engaging in the research, development, and application of workable solutions. Through the use of innovative approaches to social awareness, educational incentives, and the consistent application of the best that science and technology can offer directly to the social system. The Venus Project offers a comprehensive plan for social reclamation in which human beings, technology, and nature will be able to coexist in a long-term, sustainable state of dynamic equilibrium.
So call your mother and tell her you're going home. You're going to the rainbow, baby.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us, above us, only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do nothing to kill or die for, and no religion to imagine, all the people living life in peace.
You may say that I'm a dreamer.
But I'm not the only one.
I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger or brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say that I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will live as one.
On behalf of King Zulu Entertainment, having shows in the new One World Tel Aviv on Nachlot Benyamin, 49, every Thursday and Fridays. He will DJ drum and bass and electro pop, and performing outstanding shows. So stop by and have a ball.